Sir, I am glad that you have given me this opportunity to say a few words on this occasion, and I thank you for it. I shall refer to only two or three points. First, as we are aware, one of the most important things necessary for all of us is food. We know that it is produced by the farmers. So, I think you will agree that it is necessary that they should be given all facilities to produce food grains. For this purpose, it will be good if the government make arrangements to give them good seeds and fertilizers at the proper time. We have no doubt that our farmers are doing their best to produce food grains. I hope it will be possible for us in a few years to make the country self sufficient. In this connection, I would like to point out one of the urgent needs for this purpose. It will be agreed as a matter of fact that there should be good roads in the rural areas so that the farmers may be able to transport the food grains. Of course, I am aware that the government have done their best in this regard. But at the same time, when there are rains, it seems to me that it is not possible to use the existing roads. So, I request that the government may, in course of time, do something more in this direction and improve the roads. Then I come to another important matter. It is a well known fact that water is required not only for purposes of drinking but also for purposes of irrigation. In this connection, I would like to suggest that the government may try to construct dams across rivers as soon as possible. I want the government also to pay more attention to minor irrigation so that the riots may be able to increase the production of food grains. There is one other matter which should be referred to. It is necessary that we should give the greatest importance to the problem of health. I have no doubt you will agree that in a welfare state it is the duty of the state to take care of the health of the people. I am glad that the government have been good enough to open a number of primary health centers in the rural areas, and I thank the government for this. Letter from Muthu and Company, Salem, to Messrs. Hari and Company, Madurai. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter, but we regret to inform you that we have not yet received the goods ordered by us last month. As a result, we are in a difficult situation. We hope you will understand our difficulty if we let you know that these goods are for one of our best customers. We think that he may stop having any dealing with us on account of this delay. In the circumstances, we shall be much obliged if you can send the goods immediately so that we may be able to satisfy the customer. If there is any more delay, we think we may have to take legal action against you as per the terms of agreement entered into between us. However, we hope that there will not be any necessity for us to take such a course of action. Yours faithfully.